Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. And SHIB is still doing quite well. It's just sideways, again boring. But the thing is that we are still struggling to kind of continue on in here. So I'm just going to take the trend lines and drop in the trend line. And a trend line looks something like this. We're still looking for a break and a retest. So hopefully this is nothing more than a break to the upside, a retest to the downside, and eventually you're looking for SHIB to move to the upside. I'm actually sticking with my opinion all in all. So taking on this top to bottom, which is your technical target, up to 3098, that's where I do see things try to push to the upside. Now hopefully let's see if SHIB is going to do that, because if it actually starts to do something like where you're coming down and down and down, and then you go to 2045 here, that can actually mean you're looking for another leg to the downside as well. So this is good. Rejection here, move down, rejection, move down, rejection again, a clear break, and you're holding above it and you're turning that resistance into support. So these are the little things that you want to see whenever a coin wants to move to the upside. Another thing that you want to also see is RSI moving to the upside as well. So buying activity is going on. Resistances are being broken and turned into support. So all in all, we're good. Okay, and also on the EMAs, if you look and notice, we're still above the EMAs. You have your bull cross right over here. You came down, you went above it, you came down again, and you're holding above the EMAs. That's still okay. You might even touch 55, take some stop loss at 2478, and then eventually move up to 3075. So that's all for this very quick update. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.